Hello folks, this is Sam Owens, and I have a product here that I think you'll recognize, the Shark robot, and I'm going to show you how I'm able to clean an area that has a step down, like our foyer out here. You can see as I walk back, I've installed a ramp. This is like a wheelchair ramp. It's a 4-inch rise here to get down to the foyer area. So the robot is going to go down the ramp, clean the foyer, and then come back up the ramp. I'm not going to show the whole thing, only the going down the ramp and coming back up, to let you realize that this may be the solution to your situation. I'm going to use the app to program the robot to clean the hallway. This is one designated area as the hallway and the foyer out there. So let's check it out. Here's my app, Shark. And I can go right here and I want to clean rooms, and I can do it this way. Just click that off. It automatically defaults to the dining room, but I'm going to do the hallway and the foyer. And now I'm going to hit clean and then start cleaning. And we're going to watch it. There it goes. And I'm going to get the angle down. There, it's setting up to do the hallway. Now, I'm going to stop the video and pick it up when it gets close to the ramp so you can see that operation. Okay, he's in a docking mode right now. See, the right-hand light is flashing green. He completed the foyer, and now we're going to go back and dock and empty the trash. These right here are the strips that block from going over the edge to keep them from getting locked up. So this is helpful, and this also helps to keep him from getting trapped. I think the ramp is a real asset to cleaning this area without having to pick them up and move them into here. So when I got the ramp, that solved the problem. He can go up and down anytime we want to clean out here.